5,000 employees, hiring across the US and India.
Which means you can't prove who approved what, why, and when. That's not inconvenient. That's
Compliance or legal needed something. Days of manual reconciliation and still not clean. It got more complicated when their US and India TA teams got merged under one talent acquisition head. You know what's funny? Most people think hiring problems are about sourcing, but sometimes the real thing is happening inside the backend systems.
oh, definitely, especially when companies scale globally and every region ends up running its own process. Sometimes different ATS instances too.
Exactly. I was looking at this global IT services company, 5,000 employees, hiring across the US and India, 30 plus hires a month, around 500 a year.
Already sounds complicated.
It got more complicated when their US and India TA teams got merged under one talent acquisition head. Suddenly, 20 recruiters were trying to work across two completely separate ATS instances.
That sounds fine, but when someone asks for an audit trail,
That was the problem. Every approval chain, candidate history, requisition record split across two systems. Compliance or legal needed something, days of manual reconciliation and still not clean.
means days of work and lot of gaps.
Their TA head called it scramble every single time. Hiring approvals in one instance had zero visibility in the other. For cross-border roles, the traceability chain was just broken.
Which means you can't prove who approved what, why, and when. That's not inconvenient. That's a compliance exposure.
So they made a call. No partial migration. They moved everything. Users, requisitions, applications, talent pool records, reports, and approval chains. From the US to India instance. 100% of data objects, nothing left behind.
Migrating data is one thing, migrating accountability is another.
They preserve the referential integrity throughout. Every record still mapped to the right approval chain, the right sign-off. And they restructured entire cross-border approval workflow so that the audit trail was clean from day one. All done in 15 days.
Just 15 days?
One global instance, 20 recruiters, one source of record. They even defined a precise success metric. Instance consolidation completeness. Percentage of data objects migrated with traceability intact. Target was 100%, they hit it.
That's an unusually rigorous way to define done.
And that's what made it credible. No manual reconciliation, no hunting across systems during audit trials. For teams running more than 500 hire a year across two jurisdictions, the ROI was not about recruitment efficiency, it was about risk reduction.
The TA head put it well. Compliance used to be scrambled when someone asks for a record. Now everything is in one place. Approvals are traceable and our audits are stopped being a file trail.
Nobody celebrates infrastructure until it breaks. This team fixed it and changed what compliance feels entirely.